Alright guys, so the last time I talked about the Oppo Find X5 Pro in a video was when we got a couple of hands-on images of the phone. So those images revealed the partnership with Hasselblad and also a couple of specifications. Now today we got to know everything about the Oppo Find X5 Pro except for the price. So a German website named WinFuture shared the official images of the phone in two color options and also the full spec sheet of it. As we can see, the Oppo Find X5 Pro has at least two colors and the company has named them ceramic black and ceramic white. Now while the color names suggest that the phone has a ceramic back, that is not the case because the phone has a glass back. There is all the usual stuff that we expect to see in a premium flagship phone nowadays, such as wireless charging, IP68 certification, stereo speakers, a metal frame, etc. In terms of the design, the Oppo Find X5 Pro is not massively different from the Find X3 Pro of last year. The only difference is in the design of the camera module on the back. So this time, the camera module has kind of asymmetric design. There are three cameras on the back, and this time the phone does not have a dedicated camera for macro photos like the Find X3 Pro had. The main USP of the Oppo Find X5 Pro is definitely the cameras, because this is the first phone from Oppo that comes with Hasselblad branding. Speaking of the camera specifications, there are two cameras with the 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor. So both the main and the ultra-wide camera have this sensor, but the aperture of the lens is different from both cameras. The main camera has an f1.7 aperture lens, whereas the ultra-wide has an f2.2 aperture lens. What is not different apart from the sensor is that both the cameras offer a 10-bit color depth. Finally, there is a 13 megapixel sensor that the telephoto lens uses, and this telephoto lens offers 5 times hybrid zoom. Speaking of OIS, for now it is confirmed that both the wide and ultra-wide cameras have OIS. Apart from Hasselblad, there is also the text saying powered by MariSilicon on the back. Now if you do not know, then MariSilicon is an imaging NPU by Oppo, and this chip is going to handle the image processing and will offer a lot of other features as well. Okay, enough talking about the cameras, so now coming to other specifications, the Oppo Find X5 Pro has a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED with a Quad HD Plus resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate. It is also a 10-bit panel and has Gorilla Glass weak test protection. There is Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery, 80-watt fast charging, and also support for fast wireless charging. Now compared to the X3 Pro of last year, there is a bigger battery and also faster charging this time, something that also happened with the OnePlus 10 Pro. So that is all about the Oppo Find X5 Pro. We know that there is also the vanilla Find X5 that has the Dimensity 9000 SoC and also the Find X5 Lite. As far as the launch is concerned, the Find X5 series is expected to launch at the MWC Barcelona that starts at the end of this month. So that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.